Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create blocks in Notion. So I will go over to my example page to show you how to create blocks. First, place the cursor right here, and here you should see this icon, which means that you are creating a new block. This is the icon block. Now type backslash and basically type anything that you want. So if you want to add new page, just add page, new page, and enter. And right now, as you can see, I have created a new page in my example page. So I will go back to my example page, and as you can see, there is this new page. Now I can create another block, and let's say it will be a heading. So it could be heading 1, 2, or 3. So choose the heading that you want to use. And this is basically how you create blocks. You always press enter and now slash and type your desired block. You can also click to add below if you want and choose one of these. So it could be bulleted list, table view, AI block, AI meeting notes, or just basically text. So choose whatever you want. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.